Hello, I'm Matthew Ross from MAXSA Innovations, and I will be walking you through how to install a 6-inch extender on a 5-inch fence post. For this project, you will need several items. For each light, you will need one 6-inch extended base, two 1/2-inch spacers, and two number 6 1 1/4 inch screws. In addition to those items, you will need an electric drill, a 9/64 inch drill bit, a Phillips head 2 drill bit, breathing protection, and safety glasses. The first step is to widen the screw holes by drilling in with the 9/64 drill bit. The next step is to slide the screws through the screw holes and then put the spacers on the screws. Next, place the post cap on your fence post and center to your level of satisfaction. Drill in both sides of the extended base until it is securely fashioned to your fence post. At this point, you can resume normal installation of your post cap light. Thank you for watching this video and for being a valued MAXSA customer.